Hello and welcome to this edition of Majid's Kitchen. We'll be using garlic scapes to make these delicious beef skewers with peanut sauce. Thicker garlic scapes tend to be a little more firm, so they may require some blanching, or if you're using high heat like a barbecue or grill, this will help to soften them. You can use it to add flavor or to be an edible skewer. I've left the flower buds on and have used a knife to sharpen the other edge to be like a skewer. Here with the ingredients: soy sauce, fish sauce, garlic, ginger, coriander stems, 300 grams of sirloin or cut of your choice, and you can use some chopped garlic scapes for added flavor. So add in the soy sauce, the ginger, garlic, then a teaspoon each chopped coriander stems and garlic scapes. Now let's give this a good mix. Let's begin to skewer the beef. I find that using a wooden skewer will help to make threading with garlic scapes a lot easier. And you can see it's made it fairly simple to do it this way. Notice the edge of the garlic scape is cut at an angle to allow easy threading. I will continue to do this till all the meat is done. And now that we've completed threading, and place it in the refrigerator for a minimum of 3 hours to overnight, up to you. For the peanut sauce, we need a few sprigs of cilantro, washed and cleaned, a tablespoon of peanut butter, half a cup of coconut milk, a tablespoon of shallots, a spoon of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of coriander stems, and some of those garlic scapes that are chopped, some lime, a little bit of oil into the saucepan, heat it up, and we'll start with the shallots. Lightly saute these ingredients. Now add the red Thai curry paste. Give it a light saute and add the coconut milk. Now whisk until dissolved and smooth. Let's add the peanut butter to this. Repeat the whisking process and add in the crushed peanuts. Then we add the tamarind paste. The brown sugar goes in. Add the soy sauce, and don't forget to add the fish sauce. Now the chopped cilantro and a squeeze of lime juice to balance the flavor. The peanut sauce is done. Let's remove the beef from the refrigerator and allow it to rest for 15 to 20 minutes. Just bringing it to room temperature, then season with salt and pepper. Heat up your pan, then add in some oil. I'm using medium to high heat in the beginning, and then I've turned it down to medium heat. In goes the beef skewers. Press them down slightly and achieve a nice brown color. About 2 minutes on each side. I'm using olive oil, and I've just added a little butter to this. But I've also used the garlic scapes to make a flavored butter, as you can see here. And you can use that butter on top of your steaks or your scrambled eggs and many other uses. Alright, the beef is ready. Let's get down to plating. Some of the peanut sauce or satay sauce. And there we are, our lovely, delicious beef skewers using garlic scapes as our wooden skewers. Some of the sauce on top. And let's take a closer look. Really tender. You can cook it to your desired doneness. You see the caramelization on the beef and a nice peanut sauce to go with it. I hope you like it. Rajid's Kitchen is all about sharing restaurant quality recipes for you to create at home. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.